Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day number 5 here on board Radiance of the Seas. And today we are in Coco Cay. Really looking forward to going out and exploring Rayal Caribbean's private island. I've never been here before. Lots to see, lots to check out. The gangway is open, so let's go visit Coco Cay. Gonna take a quick look. They do have maps all around showing you where you are. You can see the pier where we docked. We're gonna go around this way and kind of work our way all the way around the island. Now they do have lockers that you can get here on the island as well. They say they're no charge for the lockers. Alright, first stop here is going to be Splashaway Bay. Area here for the little ones. Nice splash pad, play area. Alright, so next we are headed towards South Beach. And the up, and away. All right, and here is the balloon. Now, this is an excursion, so you do have to pay to ride this, and it will be dependent on the wind and the weather. But there's the up, and away right there. All right, now we'll head back and continue on towards South Beach. All right, so headed towards South Beach, we found a lounge area and one of the swimming pools. All right, so it says go this way for South Beach. Kind of looks like a dark and spooky tunnel here, but let's follow it and see where we end up. We are still making our way down the path here. I am beginning to think that I took some sort of nature trail type detour here, because I see a road over there. Now that could be the tram route too. So there are free trams. You can get rides to all the different locations around on the island. You do not have to walk it. They are free, so it doesn't cost you anything extra to use the tram. You know, or you can do like I do, and I like to walk and explore. I think I can see more walking than I can riding. All right, so we have made it out. I said, I think we could have come right up that way right there, but that brings us up here to South Beach. We're gonna go take a look out here. All right, so they have a towel station. There is a bar located over here. You have some basketball courts. You have your restrooms. They have beanbag toss, or as we call it in the South, cornhole, some table tennis. They do have life jackets for the little ones. They have a volleyball court. All right, and so they have the snack shack. They have some ice machines in case you get thirsty. All through here. And one thing to keep in mind, your drink package does work on the island. So if you have one of the drink packages, it will work here on the island. All right, you got your beach rules. You know, keep off the rocks, use life jackets, be aware, no smoking, and no food or glass in the water. You can see it goes quite a ways down there. They have some of the canopy beds down there. They have some of the little cabana type hut things right here.
Ew, a worm, look.
Okay. They have chairs and umbrellas. Now the chairs and umbrellas are free to use, no charge for any of these ones. Now the cabana ones, the specialty ones, of course, you do have to rent, but just the regular chairs, you're good. They have a floating bar. Now these are the over-the-water cabanas that are available to rent. And these ones here are off of the South Beach. They also have some hammocks back here in the shade. All right, so the Coco Beach Club is the only paid beach here on the island. Just spoke to a very nice young lady at the entrance there. They said they have private beach, private chairs, fine dining, all that kind of, you know, good fancy stuff there at the Coco Beach Club. So if you're looking, I guess, for a little more private type experience, that's probably where you want to go. Probably some better food. That's definitely where you want to go. But we're just going to keep on exploring around the island and see what else we can find. All right, so right next to the beach club, we've come to the Oasis Lagoon. Or no, the Oasis Lagoon is up over in there. We'll go in there and take a look real quick. All right, so here we have some more chairs and another pool area. And this may actually be the other side of the pool area that we saw earlier. And yeah, it is. But here's some more of the Oasis Lagoon. And they do have cabana guests over on that side, so there are cabanas for this area as well. All right, so we have another towel station. We have more volleyball. Some other games over here. Looks like a giant game of pool. But they have 2 of those. This over here, this is gonna look like giant Connect 4. They also have some ping pong and a giant chess set. All right, so we're back down by the beach. We have some more of the over-the-water cabanas. You can see it goes all the way down this way. But plenty of chairs, plenty of places to sit. So I guess I'm about halfway around the island at this point. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm kind of opposite now of the water slide that we saw when we got off of the ship. So I guess we're about halfway around, but still quite a lot to look at, still quite a lot to see. So we're gonna keep going. All right. So over here they do have a bar. They have another drink station. And you have a snack shack. So what is available here on the island? You have lemonade, strawberry kiwi, tropical mango, and water. And here are some things that you can get in the snack shack. You can get burgers, you can get crispy chicken sandwiches, hot dogs, salads, mozzarella sticks, french fries, and they do have some desserts. And over here they do have the beach beds available as well. Picnic tables for you to eat at. Definitely plenty of hammocks everywhere and some nice shady spots just so you can just chill out, rest and relax all day. All right, so we're back at another map. Now we started off right over here in this area, and now we're currently up over in this area right here. So we've gone around this way. And like I said, now we're back over here. We saw the Oasis Lagoon. Still have to see all of this side over here.